Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Rosy la Nosy. Today's video is just going to be me making my bed. No vacuuming, no deep cleaning, just strictly making my bed. So I'll let you enjoy this video. Bye. Right here I'm just showing you that I actually crocheted this blanket. I love crocheting. That's one of my hobbies I do. I really don't do it every day because it does take time, and if I start doing a blanket I won't stop, and then that will take my whole day. But I do love crocheting. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY cleaning, mommy videos, and cooking videos. Bye. See ya later.